I suck at taking pictures of my makeup looks, and it's so devastating because every time I do like a really complex makeup look, I'm like, oh well, yeah, it's like for TikTok, but then like what else? I can't keep it in my camera roll because every single picture that I take is so ugly. Like the lighting is off, my facial expression is off, everything is always off. But whatever, I filmed a TikTok and it's good enough. Maybe I don't have the good enough pictures, but maybe I'll have the good memories. It's time to take this off again. I was also talking to my manager the other day and he was like, oh yeah, well, mainstream beauty does way better than special effects. And in my head, I don't process this as special effects. In my head, it's like, why is nobody else doing this for everyday makeup? Like, what do you mean I can't go to work like this? What do you mean I can't go to the mall like this? Shut up. I'm upset. I'm crashing out, guys. I don't want to take it off. I don't want to take it off. We got this. The best way for me to preserve my makeup looks aside from pictures is doing makeup prints. And I actually have a full album of these guys. Let's see if this one is gonna be trash or keep. I'll do a time lapse. Okay, it's not amazing, but it's not awful. You can see both of the eyes. Oh, I mean, 4 of the eyes. Anyways, I'm gonna go shower and cry. I love you guys. Mwah. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? I said that for the 2020 peeps. If you're new here, welcome. Let's take this makeup off. I don't know where to start. Oh, here, I guess. Oh my god. That was not painful at all. I'm surprised. I know for sure the neck piece is gonna be painful. The neck is always the most painful part. I can't even get it off. Ah. My hair is in it. Oh my god. Oh. Such a small piece, so much pain. Calm down. Okay. There's still a piece here too. Honestly, shaving your face before doing SFX makeup comes into clutch because no pain here. But I mean, that's basically it. All clean. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This took longer than I had planned because the parasites in me told me to turn it into a full costume, which I did. And now I'm overheating and I want to have breakfast. Okay, I think I want to start unwrapping my head if I can find an edge. All of these are tucked into other pieces. Okay, found one. This one should be easier. Ah! Oh my gosh, I can see with my other eye now. Not gonna lie, that felt like unwrapping a Christmas present if it was bad. Now let's take off the latex. Let's peel. Oh. Does this look even need nightmare fuel? Yikes. Okay, my full body is covered in paint and I do need to go shower. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, you guessed it. It is time to take this off again. Let's start with the neck. I don't know why, but taking latex off of my neck always hurts more than my face. Ah, there we go. It wasn't too bad. Now the face. It's dangerously close to my hair, but it's not in my hair. I don't know how that happened. Nice. There's a little piece by my eyebrow. Yeah. Can't forget the lashes. The glitter that is on me will never leave me for the rest of my life, but I will attempt to take it off in a shower. Hey there, little freaks. You know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I'm pretty proud of this one. Like, this is one of the my most favorite looks. I know what I'm saying. I can't talk, but I know what I'm saying. I will stop talking so you guys can enjoy the quality ASMR. Lovely. A lot of you guys are recreating my looks and I love it. It's amazing. I love it when you tag me in your videos. But I rip latex off of my skin because my skin is numb. If it hurts to take off, please use warm water and oil. I will soon be posting a tutorial for that look. And have a great day, you guys. Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I'm gonna take this contact lens off because I can't see anything with that one eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's off, and I smeared this part, but I don't care, because, yeah. No, this isn't my best look, but, you know, I had fun with it. Oh god, that looks so weird. Come out! Okay, the teeth are not coming out individually. That would be really cool. So I'm gonna take this whole thing, as a whole piece, so have fun watching that. Lovely. I'll be right back because I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Look at that, it belongs in the trash. Good day, everyone. I finally completed the mission of becoming a human disco ball. I cannot wait to take this off because I can't, like, move my face. This is all I can do. But let's try. That's terrifying. I'm getting little fin gills. That's not the word. There's latex on my fingers, and it's really late, and I want to go to sleep. You know, after having this much glitter on myself, I don't think I will ever get rid of it. But I can try. I found an edge. Let's do the face. Okay, that was scary. I feel like a superhero, like this is like my mask. The audio cut out here for whatever reason, but pretend I'm like crying. Painful latexes. The audio is out again. Still crying, yeah. Let's do the next 3, 2, 1. Hope you weren't watching that for the ASMR, because I just screamed. I tried to do like an ASMR version of this on my Instagram, so if you want to check it out, you can. Ow. Alright, you guys. I'm so sorry for that jump scare. But yes, it is time to take this off again. I can't open my mouth, or talk, or breathe, and I can't feel my face. It's lovely, I know. And here we go. Okay, I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to get our lips. Oh, bottom lip is free. If I keep moving my face, I'm gonna get really scared. Okay. How do I don't know. Oh, okay. Watch this. I just don't want to stretch it too much. I want it to come off in one piece. Oh no, it has my hair. It's fine, maybe I need to do it fast. Oh, it's fine, I didn't need hair anyways. Okay, we're basically there. This. And you can see the hairs that got ripped out. It feels so good to feel my skin. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh. Nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower. Come take this off with me. Let's start with a bow. I think the rest is gonna come off in one piece. Or maybe not. Can't forget the lashes. And of course, the nightmare fuel. I forgot my eyeliner was waterproof. I'm clean now, but my eyes are stained. Well, hello there. You already know what time it is, and it's time to take this off again. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out, especially how the mouth moves, like... My sister refuses to play with me while I have scary makeup on, so we gotta take it off. I'm gonna get the hair out of my face first. Alright. I don't even see where the edges are, like... I think I found one. Okay, big breath. Never mind. Let's do this. That made my eyes water. Now the eyebrows. Okay. Oh no. Okay, this eyebrow is still on. That's good. Let's hope this eyebrow is on too. Oh, thank God. I love painting on clothes, but it just takes so long to take off. This is always the sad part. Your daily dose of nightmare fuel. As if the original look wasn't scary enough. I took a shower and you guys have an amazing day.
I can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like.
Hi. I don't want to take my makeup off again. I look so good. I look so good. I don't want to take this off. I just want to stay a really cool goddess for the rest of my life. And can I get these, like, what if I use super glue? No, that's a bad idea. So I went to go change and then I got really sad and I ended up eating and now my lipstick's off, but I guess that's a good first step. All the blood in this thing has dried by now. Ah, well, there's no going back now. Not the glitters. Once again, no physical pain, just emotional. And you guys, have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the Lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the hook. Well, that was easy. Psych, there's way more than that. That was nice. I literally glued these things on with tape. Yeah. I literally drew them on blue paper as well. Snatch the weave. I am in love with these lashes, but they gotta go. Boop. Take the contacts out too. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. And that is all. Have an amazing day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh. Nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower. Well, hello there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Now, I have no idea why I decided to cover up my nose and then give myself a nose on top of the latex. But we're not gonna talk about it. Pretend like nothing happened, okay? It's time for the good stuff. Boom. Tooth gone. Boom. All of them. Be gone. Tooth. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's do it. Didn't hurt. I can finally breathe. I'm gonna go shower because the makeup wipe wasn't enough, but you have a great day.